Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Sheets in your browser and sign into your Google account. Click blank or choose a template to start a new spreadsheet quickly. Name your file by clicking the default untitled spreadsheet at the top. Use Ctrl/ for keyboard shortcuts and Ctrl+Shift+V to paste values. Enter numbers in cells, press Enter to move down and Tab to move right. Create simple formulas with equals sum and equals average for ranges like A1, A10. Share the sheet with others using the Share button and set edit permissions. Adjust column width by dragging the boundary or double-clicking to fit contents. Format numbers as currency, percentages, or dates from the Format menu quickly. Use Freeze to lock header rows or columns so they remain visible while scrolling. Apply filters to sort and filter large datasets by column in one click. Try conditional formatting to highlight values above thresholds such as 75%. Press Ctrl+Z to undo mistakes and use version history to restore older copies. Explore add-ons for extra functions like merging, collaborate in real time, and see colored cursors showing who edits each cell. Comment and assign tasks by right-clicking a cell and choosing Comment. Create charts from selected ranges and choose chart types like line or pie. Use pivot tables to summarize thousands of rows into counts and sums quickly. Protect ranges to prevent edits and limit access by assigning specific permissions. Use offline mode and the mobile app to view and edit sheets without internet. Learn one shortcut per day to speed workflow and save minutes each session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.